Welcome to our newest listing here at 13312 Northwest 13th Place in Vancouver, Washington. This Salmon Creek Estates condominium is 2 beds, 2 baths, just over 1,500 square feet, and it might just be your next home. Let's take a look. Thank you for taking the tour of 13312 Northwest 13th Place Unit B with us. This tastefully updated Salmon Creek Estates condominium is 2 beds, 2 baths, and just over 1,500 square feet. I know you know someone that wants a home just like this. Have them give us a call.